Hi everyone, welcome to this video. I hope you're doing well. And in this quick video, I will be showing you how to download and install VMware on your Windows computer. So let's get started. In order to install VMware workstation and run multiple VMs, you should be having some extra hard disk space and RAM. So these are my specs. I have enough storage. I have 32 gigs of RAM and I am running on Windows 11 Pro. So let's start. Go to your browser and search broadcom.com. Yeah, on the top right support portal, go to login. Once you're logged in, you will be able to see your name on the top right. Click on this download icon and select VMware Cloud Foundation. It will redirect you to this page. On the left side, click on My Downloads. My Downloads. And then go to free software download available here. Now scroll down and go to this option VMware Workstation Pro. You will be not able to see VMware Workstation Player anymore. It has been stopped since 2024. So the Pro version is available for non-commercial users. So you can go ahead and download that. Click on it. You will be able to download VMware Pro for all the computers, Linux, Windows, and Mac. I'll show you how to download for Mac. So here, this is the latest one. So it will show you the version. Currently, I have already downloaded and installed Pro 17, and you can select any version you want. For example, click on the release version, and then you can just click this download icon on the right side. As you can see, the download will start. I'm not going to download once again because I have already downloaded and installed here. So I want you to follow these step-by-step instructions and download the VMware Workstation Pro. Once it's downloaded, and follow the on-screen instructions to install the software on your computer. And at the end, just select for non-commercial use. If you don't want to go through all the process, just go to your browser again and search download VMware TechNet. Just open the first link. Yeah, there you go. As you can see here, you will be able to download VMware Fusion for Mac, Linux, and all the stable versions are already mentioned here. But this one click, you will be directly able to download without any login. Again, just wait on this page for a few seconds. As you can see here, now downloading. There you go. That's it for this video. Thank you so much.